Hello friends, I'm Kirsten Lindhart with The Mindful Heart, and I am so glad that you are here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to finger knit your very own baskets. They're so fun and so easy. Let's get started. In order to make a cute little finger knitted basket like this one, you will need to get a few supplies ready. Make sure you have a hot glue gun, and make sure that if you're ever using a hot glue gun, you have a parent or other trusted adult with you. You will also need one short rope for the handle of your basket. This one is about 6 inches long, and really you can make your rope however long you want. It will just change the size of your handle. You will also need a longer rope. This one that I finger knitted here is about 60 inches long. If you want a bigger basket, make a longer rope. If you want a smaller basket, make a shorter rope. If you don't know how to finger knit, you can go to the description box below to find a tutorial that will teach you how. All right, the first thing you're gonna do is wind the bottom circle of your basket. So get your hot glue gun and pick up the end of your rope, your long rope. You're gonna take your hot glue gun and make a nice strip of glue. And then you're gonna kind of tuck the little tails of that end in and just roll it nice and neat. And you're gonna keep doing that until the base of your basket is as long as you're hoping to have it, or as wide as you're hoping to have it. And watch out for that hot glue because it really can burn you. Isn't that coming along so nicely? These baskets can make a lot of fun little gift bags or Easter baskets or baskets to hold little knickknacks. There are so many options. Okay, I'm thinking, well, I'm gonna make it just a little bit wider, my base here. Okay, I think that's about as big as I want the base of my basket to be. Now I'm going to start winding the side of my basket. It can be a little bit tricky to get started, but I'll show you how. So all you're gonna do is, just like before, you're gonna make a nice strip of hot glue, and then you're gonna wind it kind of on the top here, right on the edge. And you know what? I'm actually just gonna put my glue right on top of that outer edge of my base. Kind of pat it down as you go along. And again, you can make the basket taller or deeper by making a longer rope. Oh, I am out of a glue stick. Let me grab one of those. There we go. You're just gonna keep going around and around and around until you run out of rope. Oh, I am so close to being done. Oh, so I like to hide this little tail. So before I finish up, I'm gonna put a little strip of hot glue right there. Smush those little tails down so that they're not sticking out the side of my basket. Then I'm just gonna put my final little touches there. Oh, so there you go. And if you wanted, this makes a cute little basket just like this to put on your nightstand, to hold all your little knickknacks, but I'm gonna add a handle. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my little handle here, and all I'm gonna do is right on the end, put a little strip of glue, and I'm gonna tuck it right in, if you can see, the inside of my basket. So it attaches like that. Then I'm gonna come and do the same thing on my other end there. I'm gonna try to make them nice and even from each other. And there you have it. That is how you make a little finger knitted basket. Thank you for learning how to finger knit a basket with me today. Be sure to stay tuned for more fun videos like this one. I'm Kirsten Lindhart, and this is The Mindful Heart.